All right, here we are with our alien sunshade. This is the front and rear. So, according to the instructions and the pictures, we're supposed to use this flat bar right here. There it is, the flat bar right there. Slip that through in between the windshield and the bar up the top. Take the T-bar bungees that are for the front window, and you're supposed to be threading these through the grommets in the front of the sunshade and attaching the front of the sunshade first. So now the instructions say to use the medium-sized bungee balls and attach the actual shade to the side posts. It looks like we're doing the medium balls, bungee balls. Now I want to attach these back corners, so we're going to use the two long bungees. As you can see them down there in my seat. Alright, now the instructions say to do number 3, right? And so number 3 are these two back ones, this one and the one on the other side. Yeah, if you kind of got the impression those bungees can be a little difficult, you're not wrong. You know, make sure you got 2 hands free, and you probably don't want to be filming like I am. So here it is on the top. Looks pretty lined up to me. I don't think I have much adjustments to go. I think I'll do a little bit of adjustment, but it looks pretty happy. I'm pretty happy with the way it is right now. So yeah, that's the front.